Kigeranio gia KCP ni kiingirire thiko ya keri kiroko kia umuthi. Minista wa githomo Prof George Magoha akinyabara mihang'o ino kaunti-ini ya Nyeri na akimuikariri giti wa kanju ya igeranio John Osanti agitongoria mihang'o ino kaunti-ini ya Machakos. Magoha ni ahithuritie ati muthenya wa ira kuri maabitha arugamiriri kigeranio maranyitikanire makihura kigeranio mbica ndagika nini tu thutha wa arutwo kwambiriria kigeranio kiao.
Invigilators and the supervisors also deposit their cell phones in the office. This decision is informed by the fact that yesterday we were able to pick certain center managers taking images of the examination paper about 39 minutes after the exam had started. And this is not acceptable, and we are not going to take it lying down.
Agikomithia giko giki Magoha ni augire maabitha aya ni megutacukirio makinya mahiu ma kiwatho guku akiruta mukaana kuri arugamiriri othe a igeranio aria mekunyitikana na thimu kigeranio gigithie na mbere. Na oho akiuga gutire abitha wa thirikari ubatie gukinya hari igeranio cigitwo ari mucerere.
But we have identified the people by name and where they come from and the location that they were in. So action is going to be taken, and very firmly. And like I've said today, I'm warning again in public, so there should be nobody with an excuse to have a phone.
Na hari hahuirie rariho ati arutwo mahota kwaga guikarira kigeranio kiao. Magoha augite gutire murutwo no motane yumiria gwika kigeranio giki muthenya wa ira, no na aria mari thukuru-ini wa Mchongoi mwena wa Baringo ni marahotire gwika kigeranio kiao ona thengia wa mirurumo ya rithathi iria irigwikanire uraihu wa kilomita 3.
We have beefed up security around that area. They are going to continue to do their exams there today and tomorrow. This narrative that a certain group of ragtag bandits are ahead of our security forces must actually stop. There were gunshots about 3-4 kilometers away while the children were doing their exams. I don't see why everybody is talking about it as if the children were actually attacked. Our children are safe.
Akiaria ari mwena wa Machakos muikariri giti wa kanju ya igeranio John Osanti ni akindirite ati thirikari ni yarire mitaratara iria yagirire niguo kuhurana na wici wa igeranio. Akiuga muthenya wa ira ciiko iria iranyitikanire iri moko-ini ma thirikari guku akiruta mukaana kuri aria mekunyitikana na igeria ria kuiya kigeranio.
Now cases which were reported nationally, they are being handled, and I can tell you effectively. And that one is really again not cause for alarm that we can raise as a major issue to announce. Examination cheating will not be condoned. This one we are saying it is only destroying our children. It is destroying our country.
Jerifotera Kameme TV ni jetagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.